Guys, I'm coming to my room. Huh? I guess they want me to do a fidget toy review. Sure. Pop open. So, yeah, I'm doing a fidget toy review today. Fun. So, first up, got an infinity cube. Let me just show you how it works. So, no matter how much you turn it, it will always be infinite. So basically, yeah. Next up, we've got pop tube. Fun. I don't know what to say about the pop tubes. Next, we have got the magnet rings. It's just like a random toy to fiddle with. These, like, it's pocket size, so you can take it to school and stuff. I wouldn't call it a fidget toy, but I guess a Rubik's cube, a weird shaped one. Okay. Got a little snakey here. Very nice. Oh yeah, this is one of the cool ones I've got. I got this on holiday. If you remember that at the caravans. Oh god. Just a football fidget spinner. I got it at the arcades. Next up, another fidget spinner. Spider-Man. Who doesn't love Spider-Man? Woo. Okay. Next up, Star Poppet. Who doesn't love poppets? They're just the best, bro. What's that sound? Do you hear it? Bum 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 bum. Okay, yeah. Among Us Poppet. Not much to say about that. It's just super cool. Glow in the dark circle Poppet. I've never actually seen a glow in the dark, but I like the colours, so I bought it at Smith's. Yeah. A simple dimple. I did have it on my backpack, but it broke off, so I just decided to take it. This is another fidget toy I got. It's like the infinity cube, but you just twist and twist and twist. Pretty fun. Anyway, next up is this weird looking puddle poppet. I just think it's a puddle. It looks like one. Oh yeah, another pop tube. Where's the one? Oh. Pop it fidget spinner. So you can pop it. And spin it. Fidget cubes. Got a little clicky thing. Spinny thing. Rubby thing. Spinny ball. These things. Buttons. Just loads of things to fiddle with. Oh god, that was the heaviest out of all of them. This squishy brain. Ah! Okay, yes. I think I've just messed my room up. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. And do make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah. Goodbye.